All right, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing good today. So today we just made 1.5k on each combine. So multiply by 5, 7.5k USD. So it is still on the combine, so it doesn't really matter, but a good trade is a good trade, right? We had a good setup, we executed, and we won. So that's what matters. Now, I probably need 2 other winning days so I can pass the combines and get the XFAs. And from there, I'll just do everything that I've done following my rules, staying disciplined, all that. And same thing as take profit, but now our payout will be way bigger. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. So today we are Wednesday, July 30. We had news at 10 and we had FOMC at 2, which didn't matter. And yeah, so let's go to the chart. Now I want to show you guys something interesting. So you guys know I was trading on TopStepX, but something didn't happen on TradingView. So if I was trading on TradingView today, maybe the result would have been different. So I'll just show you guys what happened today, and yeah. All right. So let's go on the 1 hour mark. So I'll do the recap on what's it called, TradingView, and then I'll show you guys the trade execution on TopStep so you guys can see. So bang, 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 bang. So first of all, what do? We mark previous day's highs and low, sessions highs and low. Bang, bang. Now that's done. Now what do? We look for higher time frame fair value gaps. Perfect. What can we see already? Bang, we have this on the 4 hour. Scale down to the 1 hour, we adjust everything. So this would be right there. Does it make sense? Yes. So now, do I see any other? Well, I see this one, right? But it's a mini one. But still, we mark it. So now, just based off that, what do I see? Well, most likely, price will come and run this fair value gap, which hold more value. Why? Because we had it on the 4 hour than 1 hour. The higher the time frame, the more important. So yeah. So my bias would be most likely bullish. Perfect. Now what we do, go on the 15 minute. Can we adjust the gaps? If not, we just leave them. If yes, then we adjust them. So bang. And this one here, we don't see nothing that makes sense. So what we can do, hop, remove it, and bang, this is right there. Let's go on the 5 minute now. So now we know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a long setup. So let's start. 9:30 market open, bang, we come all the way down, we sweep London low, Asia low, sorry, and this 1 hour / 15 minute fair value gap, right? Perfect. So now this is a valid entry, this is confirmed. We just need a retest so we can enter. So I'm waiting, and this is where TopStep comes in place. Well, here guys, bang, bang, so 1.477. So July, let me just check something. So this is 4:30, perfect. 4:30. So on TopStep, look at that. 10:10, we come down. So this is the retest, and this is where I entered my longs. Bang, and then full TP, not even like 10 minutes later, right? So this is 10:10. But here, 10:10, it didn't fill it on TradingView. So I don't know why on TradingView didn't do it, but this is what happened. and this is on top step X. So bang, 930, we took out Asia low, London low, and the fair value gap. Bang, 1010 retest, I'm in. And yeah, now why, for example, I didn't get in here? Well, I was looking for longs. Like I said, we already filled this gap. Now we have to fill the main one. So my bias is bullish, right? And this is where I take the trade. So yeah, that's basically the recap, really quick. But yeah, and for example, let's say you guys, I was trading on TradingView today. I wouldn't have taken this. I wouldn't taken this. So right there, 1020, 1030. This is all rejection. You're like, okay, price is gonna go down, but no, we still have an unfilled gap here. So this is all wrong. Once we didn't get the retest and we don't have any other setups, we just don't take it. If anything, if I was trading on TradingView and then get a setup, if anything, I would have taken this 1020 breakout, and from there we enter the trade. Now I would have probably, since we know that there's a fair value gap, I would have probably de-risked, not de-risk, but the point or the thick wise. So I'm risking 50 points for 25. I will just cut it in half, so 100 for 50. Now this would have been a great trade. We didn't get the retest, perfect, but I'm still looking for longs. Bang, breakout of Asia highs. Doesn't matter if it touch, I'm looking for longs. Retest, I'm in 1025, risking 12 points or 50 points, whatever you want to call it, for 25 or 100 right there. So yeah, I mean, really nice day. So yeah, if you guys want a quick recap right now, 1 hour time frame, Asia high, low, London high, low, previous days highs and low, bang. Then what we do, any higher time frame for value gaps, start with the 4 hour, go down to the 1 hour, and then to the 15 minute to precise. So 4 hour, it was somewhere right there. 1 hour, you precise it. If there's none on the 4 hour, you still go down to the 1 hour to check. And the higher time frame fair value gap will give us our bias. So for example, today, like I showed you guys, bullish. If there's none on the 1 hour, nothing, go to the 15 minute and look for something. And yeah, from there, go on the 5 minute, after market open, 9:30, look for breakout, then a retest, rejection, then a retest, or straight up fair value gap fill, then a retest of the fair value gap, so you can get your entry on the 5 minute. I forgot something. I want to show you guys something. Bang, 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 bang. So we know that at 9:30, bang, we swept this, and filled this fair value gap. If we go on the 3 minute, this is how it looks like. So actually, maybe now I wasn't trading. I don't trade lower time frame than 5 minute, so I wouldn't have got it. But like I said, we had this right there if I was on TradingView. But it's cool to see that 9:30 bang, 9:33 bang. Now let's go even lower. 9:30, 9:32. Let's go even lower. We can clearly see, the fair value gap get rejected. And if, for example, I was trading on the 1 minute, this would have been bottom ticked and perfect trade. This is as bottom ticked as it gets right there. We rejected this 15-minute fair value gap / 1 hour, and we even took out Asia low. Bang. Easy. But I was on the 5 minute. And I still won. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this recap, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for the support. Hopefully we pass hopefully we get tomorrow a good trade and then Friday a good trade so we can get the XFA. But I won't rush anything, right? I'll just do what I do. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.